Hello, anybody watching this? This is Richard. We are out today. It's Sunday, August 15th, 2021. We are actually at the same location we were at last Sunday because some of the audio was screwed up by the camera getting loose on the screw from the handheld device I have. So I decided not to post it. I would have liked to. We had a lot of good interaction with my two new friends here. One, I can't pronounce his name. It's Zyaauay. I have no idea how to pronounce it. So he allowed me to call him Mr. Z. And his mate's name is Vacur. It's V-A-Q-U-R. So, they have two kids. And this is their home, which I won't say where it is. I have agreed to not reveal their location at any time. So, I do not edit these videos. What you see is what was posted. What you hear was I was recorded. If I clear my throat, sneeze, belch, fart, whatever, I'll let you know. Anything else, it's them. I just got done talking to Mr. Z with my channeling rods, and he said, yes, come on in. Let's have some together time. So we shall see what happens. I have a couple people here with their dogs, one on, one off. Good yourself? Great. Excellent. I try not to video other people, except the annoying ones. Hello, how are you? Hi, how are you? Fine, thank you. So we're basically doing the same trail we did last week in reverse. And I'll try not to talk too much. Good luck with that, right? Yeah, my wife gave me the look. Yeah, right. Sure. Nice upside down leaner right there. Sort of branch break. At least today, it's not as bad as it was last week. It's a nice 75 today, low humidity. Compared to last week, it was like 90 degrees, 89% humidity. Bad. So it's the trail we're on, part of it's paved, part of it's not. It's an old park. I won't say what town we're in. Clear my throat. Only in the woods do I have to clear my throat. I don't know what it is. sniffling. There's a little trail going through there. Not the one we want. Big broke go there, and it's an old dead tree. Old dead tree. I think this is where we're turning here. Weird looking berries. So this is it? Yep.
We just walked down just now.
Yeah?
It smelled like elephants.
Oh, there's probably Sasquatch down there. I didn't smell it. I didn't smell anything.
Reminded me of elephants.
You should have said something to me so I could take a whiff.
No, it was really quick.
Oh. Yeah, them probably passing by. Or you passing by them. Giving you off an aroma. Well, when we were on the other side there at the first, I walked by an area and I didn't realize it until I'm like 50 feet away. I said, oh, wait, I just walked by an area. It smelled like skunk.
Well, that's a possibility.
But, yeah. So, it's possible, you know, there was a skunk out there one time. You'd think that, you know, with all the other people walking by, that it would have dispersed. There's a little pond out here. A trickle of a brook right through there. He's the leader of the one pack. The boss. I'll let you know when I'm stopping. Okay, because it's like 100 feet in front of me. Nice little broken tree right here. Got my throat. Gotta watch where I'm walking. This is what we're walking on. Stopping. There's an arch right here. Right there in front of us. It's an old arch. I don't think it's getting used. There's a lot of stuff behind it, but you never know. You do not exactly know how they use them to begin with. So an arch can be used for two things. It can be used as a height indicator. And if there's a stick leaning against it, it's used as a portal to travel from one location to another. Me. Okay, hang on. Stopping. The next right there. A lot of leaners right there. A whole bunch of them. A lot of stuff on the ground over here. Okay, moving forward. I review all my videos before posting them, so if I see something unique, out of the ordinary, I will post it in the About section or description. Okay, wait a minute, hang on. This is neat. So when you see stuff like that, it usually means that's somebody's hangout area. All those leaners against a tree. One of many hangouts. They could have several. Oh, there's a nice break. Old break. But a break is a break. Porch going down. A lot of dead stuff in here. Oh, here's an arch. Excuse me. See right back there. This park has a lot of arches. That's a height indicator. Oh, there's a tree parked next to it. Could be both. Clear my throat. Man. It's not like I got a dry throat, I'm chewing gum. Stick in the ground. Slow down there, you annoying lady. You know. Not a race. But that's kind of nice. A little piece right there is supported by that little branch. Huh. They just fall like that? Maybe. Or it's broken too. Excuse me, clear my throat. Nice breeze out here. Burping. Burping. There's an X. Alright. Where is it? Right there. Right there. A lot of stuff leaning over here. There's another one right there. Better X. In case you didn't see the first one, there's one right there. That way. And the other one's right there. And down. And there's the X. Nice. We are here. That's what the X means. Oh, there's a big arch right here. Right to your left. Right there. Oh, mosquitoes have found me.
You want to be sprayed?
I thought I already sprayed myself, but you see how bad they bother me. I can always put my net on. Let's see, it's touching the tree right there. So that is not just the height indicator, which is about 8 feet high, but also a portal. And all of this, there's another X right here with a bunch of leaners. Nice. Oh, a little arch right here. Maybe see it better on this side. Right there. Mosquitoes are here. Mosquitoes like my blood. Have good tasting blood, huh? I don't know, like over here. Way back there. Yeah, this is the area I saw a whole bunch. But the camera was making all kinds of weird noises, so I didn't, when I went to review it, so I didn't post it. Sounded like the camera was falling off the holder I have. Here's some more arches over here. Jeez. Archville. Right there. Important location right here where all these are. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, this is the one I saw before, right? Look at this one here. Goes up and over. It's attached to that tree right there. This thing is mega big. Oh, and we have a break up there. Break. And this one is, what did you say, 15 feet high? Look at that thing, it's huge. All the way over, all the way down there. Where it's connected. So, when Sasquatch make contact with me, they're cloaked, so I can't see them. Oh, another one right there. Archville. And here's another one. I saw these one on the way back, but I was taking fun, but you know, my camera was all messed up, so I couldn't post any of these. And here's the other one. I just saw my wife. So if you watch it, if you look at this one right here, comes down and makes contact. Make contact with that tree right there too. Comes down here. So it's an arch, height indicator, as well as a portal. Making connection right there for an X. Pretty wild. And hundreds of people walk through here on a daily basis and never even notice it. They don't know the signs. This is kind of cool. It's another leaner with a cross. Sorry about moving the camera so fast. Another arch right there. This is only within like 100 feet I've gone. All these arches. Pretty wild. There's another one right here. Might be an old one. But it's growing right between the birch trees. Another one right here. Let's put my Hey, can you hold the camera? I gotta put my net on. They're attacking me! There you go. Just point it that way. Oh, there's a whole bunch right there. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Get them off me. Put my head net on. Okay. Head net on. Now I'm safe from the mosquitoes. Okay. Well, there's a whole bunch more over here, but no need taking all of them. I think you get the idea. Lots of arches over here. There's another one right here, another one over there. They could be walking right next to me, I wouldn't even know it. There's stuff going on over here. Big pile. Clear my throat. Alright, this is what we're walking on now. Lots of roots. Roots. Across the trail. Clearing my throat. Some more over here. Nice big pile over here. Lots of leaners. Lots of dog tracks. This is what we're walking on. Watch my footing. Okay, let's go stealth mode. Grab my stick. Hello. Jogger going by. Pretty high up. An arch and an X. This is interesting. Hang on. A double arch. Little walkway going right through it. Where that birch came from. Upside down. Upside down birch. Another bunch. Why don't you?
I know, it's scary.
The only thing I hear is the buzzing of the mosquitoes. height indicator. Broken trees are also height indicators, like this one, 10 feet off the ground. Walking all this stuff, gotta watch where I'm looking. On my throat. Little bridge. See footprints. If you see them, it's because they want you to see them. Mosquitoes everywhere. Mosquitoes have found me.
Yeah, there's too much standing water.
Yeah, well, unstand it. There's a big break. A lot of stacking over here. I know somebody lives here. There's an arch right there. Small arch. Old stone wall. Right through there. And through there. And oh, we have an asterisk right here. Good job to see that. Stick it in the rock. Get a better view of it. Asterisk. Again, never pronounced that. Place of significance important. Mr. Z, are you here? Mr. Z. Bunch of broken stuff over here. Vakur, are you over here, Vakur? No. All broken. Oops. I'll rip that out of the ground. That was me snapping a branch. There's a couple of horses.
Yeah.
Full hands on.
Always.
Young lady with 2 dogs. What do we got over here? More muck. Footprints of dogs. Dog prints. More muck. Somebody's foot. Bigfoot. Somebody's Bigfoot. All human foots and dogs. Oh, stop back. Hello, folks. How are you?
The bugs, actually.
Yes, there's a lot of them down there. Somebody's over there. Lots of leaners. Somebody's hangout spot. Oh, check those baby out. All right, looks like we're going up. Up, 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 and away. Tilt the monitor so I can see where I'm going. Huh? Okay. Rocks right here. Get an incline here. I think this is 187 foot elevation. Hello, folks. How are you?
Doing okay. How are you doing?
Excellent, thank you.
I bet you're doing pretty good with that net. I
Yes. I love my head net. People complain about the mosquitoes, but they don't have any head nets. Mosquitoes. Excuse me, clear my throat. So where we came from, down there, and this is where we are here. I think we're taking a left. Oh, maybe straight. Sign right there. You need some assistance?
No.
Where are we? Right there? We came from this way.
Yeah.
So we're going this way.
Which is it right?
Yeah, just like the sign says right here. See the sign back there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Taking a right. Stay right, my young fine feline. Okay, let's start another video here. I don't know how far I've gone.